Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest breakthroughs in technology and research. Today, we are exploring a fascinating new paper about the world of digital images and how to tell if they have been tampered with. As generative AI becomes more powerful, creating realistic but fake photos is easier than ever, posing a threat to digital trust. The researchers point out that most current methods for finding these fakes are a bit clunky because they rely on broad labels. Usually, detectors use something called masks, which are basically rough circles around a changed area. However, these often include pixels that were never actually touched, which confuses the AI models during training. The researchers introduced a new benchmark called PIXAR to move from these rough masks to precise pixel-level detection. This new system doesn't just ask, where is the edit, but also, what does the edit mean? It focuses on the semantic understanding of the image, linking low-level pixel changes to high-level meaning. To achieve this, the researchers developed a massive dataset of over 380,000 image pairs to train better detectors. The creation process is incredibly rigorous, involving 4 different stages from generating the initial image to a final human review. There are 8 different ways an image can be tampered with in this dataset, reflecting real-world scenarios. These include replacing an object, removing one entirely, or changing its color or material. For example, an AI might be asked to replace a bowl with a new one or change a person's shirt color while keeping everything else perfectly still. To ensure the quality is high, the researchers used a state-of-the-art AI called Qwen3 to score how realistic the images look. Then, human experts manually reviewed thousands of images to filter out any that looked obviously fake or unnatural. This creates a faithful ground truth, meaning the AI knows exactly which pixels were changed and why. If a black oven is replaced by a white one, the system tracks the exact overlap of those pixels to ensure accurate training. The benchmark even includes descriptions in natural language, so the AI can eventually explain what was changed in plain English. This could allow future security tools to tell you exactly how a photo was manipulated, not just that it was fake. In their testing, the researchers found that existing strong detectors actually struggle quite a bit with these fine-grained edits. They compared several different AI models to see which ones could best identify the modified pixels under this new, tougher protocol. Interestingly, some models are much better at finding large changes than tiny, subtle ones. The data shows that PIXAR-trained models significantly outperform previous standards across multiple types of AI-generated images. The paper shows that when AI is trained on precise pixels instead of rough boxes, it becomes much more accurate at spotting artifacts. We can see visual examples here of how their model identifies the exact shape of an edited object, while older methods just see a blurry region. They even conducted a user study where humans tried to find the fakes, and it turns out we aren't very good at it compared to the AI. This highlights why we need these automated systems that can see what the human eye misses in the digital noise. To make sure the test was fair, the researchers balanced the dataset across many different object classes, like cars, animals, and furniture. They also specifically looked at different sizes of edits, from tiny micro-edits to large-scale scene changes. The results suggest that understanding the meaning of an edit is just as important as the pixels themselves for true detection. Let's recap the most important points. Current fake detection is often too messy because it uses rough shapes instead of precise data. By focusing on individual pixels and the semantic meaning of changes, the PIXAR benchmark sets a new gold standard for the field. This research proves that we need better datasets to keep up with the rapid evolution of AI-generated content. In the future, this could lead to browser tools or smartphone apps that instantly tell you if a photo has been subtly altered. It marks a shift from just spotting technical glitches to truly understanding the content of a digital image. This is a huge step forward in the fight against misinformation and digital forgery. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay curious about the tech shaping our world.